Hello dear students, welcome back to our YouTube channel Learn with Sahira. In this video, let us see tips and tricks to score O grade in Business Law and Ethics subject examination, which is for degree 4th semester BBA students. Students, definitely watch the video till the very end if you also want to score O grade in this subject examination. It is really very easy to score O grade if you follow these tips and tricks whatever I am saying you in this video. If you are new to our YouTube channel Learn with Sahira, subscribe it for more exam preparation videos, and if you need damn sure important question and answers notes for all subjects and languages, then message me on my Instagram. My Instagram ID link is available in this video description. Guys, remember these notes are paid notes. Yes, there is a small payment for the notes, but believe me, you are going to see excellent results with these notes. These notes are ready for quick exam preparation, and just by giving a reading you will get perfect with the complete subject, because I have given in detail explanations with very easy and simple terminology. If you want them to score O grade, message me on my Instagram. Link is available in this video description. And if you want to watch all explanation videos of this subject, do visit our playlist. Playlist link is also available in this video description. Without getting late, let us get started. Guys, in previous video we have already seen paper pattern and presentation. If you didn't watch that video, definitely watch it. Link is available in this video description. So guys, first important thing is that, okay, just wait a minute. First important thing is that you need to use proper format. Okay, there is a format to write business law and ethics examinations in answers in part B of your question paper. What is that format? Let me say you. Guys, first start with definition. Whatever the question they are asking, you need to start with definition. After that, you need to give explanation. Okay, give explanation. After explanation, definitely you need to include examples. Examples are very important in B-Law subject examination, guys. Without examples, there is no scope that you will score full marks. You will be scoring marks, but if you write good examples, then only you will be scoring full marks. Out of marks you will be scoring, okay? In my notes, I have mentioned very easy and simple examples. If you notice, for each and every topic, for each and every answer, for each and every part, I have given good examples. The students who have took my notes, do not worry at all. Whatever the examples I have given you in the notes, just mention those examples in your question paper. That will be more than enough. Okay. So definition, explanation, examples. After that, you need to give conclusion. This is the format, very important format, which you need to follow in order to write your answers in part B of section. Okay. If you write it in this way, then only you will be scoring 12 marks. Otherwise, don't expect that you will be scoring 12 marks. Okay. So this is first tip or first trick in order to score 12 marks from each answer. Definition, explanation, examples, very important, guys. This is the way how you will be writing. And guys, start with good definition. Okay. कुछ भी लिख दिए नहीं चलता. You need to write good definition or proper definition. Okay. कुछ भी मन में आया वो लिख दिए. No, you have to write proper definition. Okay. This is the very important point, because you are starting your answer with the definition itself. If you don't want to mention the headings, don't mention the headings, guys. But you have to start with the definition, explanation, example, as well as conclusion. After that, write point-wise answers or use subheadings. Okay, very important. Or points, bullet points we can say. Okay, you have to write the answers by giving subheadings. Do not write the answers in paragraph in business law subject. You might write for the other examinations, but in B law, write subheading. Okay, if this is subheading, give good explanation, then write example, like that. Then second subheading, good explanation, then example. Like this you have to write. Okay, like if they ask you types of contracts, first write what is meant by types of contract. Then first type, its explanation, example. Second type, explanation example. Like this you have to write your answers. Do not write full paragraphs. Like if you are writing first answer, suppose let's say 9th, because part B will be starting from 9th question. 9th answer, don't write complete paragraphs like this. No, you can't write the paragraphs in business law subject. Please note this, okay? After that, as I said, you write relevant examples. Very important point. Okay, examples are must and should in order to score full marks. Otherwise, don't expect you're scoring full marks. Okay. Then I have just noted down the point so that I should not forget. Okay. Then it is you have to present your answer very well. Okay. If you're doing any mistakes, don't scribble it. Just if you have written this if it is wrong, just give a line. ठीक है, मिस्टेक्स करके जो भी पेपर करेक्ट कर रहे हैं लोग को आओ देखो हम मिस्टेक करे बोल के नहीं बोलना. I say this in every video of my paper pattern and presentation. If you are doing any mistakes, just strike it off. वो करे तो उनको मालूम भी नहीं होता आप लोग करे या नहीं करे. So you have to keep good handwriting guys. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स, बहुत सारे क्या सारे स्टूडेंट्स ही, बहुत कम स्टूडेंट्स नहीं करते होंगे ऐसा, लेकिन सारे स्टूडेंट्स what they do, starting answers they will be writing perfectly, but as they go to the next answers or the remaining answers उनकी handwriting पूरी खराब हो जाती. Why? Because time will not be left. So you need to manage your time properly guys, because business law and ethics subject is a lengthy subject. How much you will be writing, that much you will be getting to write. So that doesn't mean कि आपको पूरे के पूरे pages भर देना है. 2.5 और 3 side is must enough. जितना needed है उतना ही लिखो, ज़्यादा भी over मत लिख दो. ठीक है, 2.5 और 3 side. Manage your time properly because it is lengthiest subject. Okay, manage your time properly, as well as final 6, present well. Handwriting पे मत जाओ, just I'm writing like that. Okay, present well. You have to present the answers very well, and definitely you have to end with small conclusion guys. Definitely after that ये format ही है guys, mainly ये format है. End with small conclusion. At least if you write 2 to 3 lines, 3 to 4 lines also, that will be more than enough, but you need to end with conclusion. Okay, so these are few tips and tricks for part B, 2.5 or 3 side. For part A you need to definitely write 1 side and try to write bullet points. Okay, then it's explanation, because paragraphs will not work out in this business law and ethics subject. And if you are not good at cases or if you are not good at sections, no need to mention, but definitely write the examples. Okay, so yes, this is the way how you are going to present your answer and how you are going to follow these tips and tricks in order to score full marks. If you are having any doubts, do let me know in the comment section. For notes, message me on my Instagram, link is available in this video description. All the very best. Join our Telegram channel for more important updates. Bye bye.